See, the other day I gave you a dose of a surprise of chemistry. Now continue it will be. I will not take a break of chemistry now because I had planned that I said let me finish the first topic. We'll start with chemistry and physics together. आता एक दिवस केमिस्ट्री एक दिवस फिजिक्स असं काय होणार नाही, त्यामुळे तुमचं वर्कलोड वाढला आणि अभ्यास वाढला. ओके, तो स्टडी रेग्युलरली बिकॉज बोथ द सब्जेक्ट्स आर इक्वली इम्पॉर्टंट अँड ह्यूज. कळतं? Chemical thermodynamics half I had completed before the lockdown period, and today we'll be continuing with the next part. त्या दिवशी I had given you the idea about isothermal process. पहिला दोन फॉर्म्युले लिहून ठेवते, ते परत तुम्हाला कदाचित ब्लँक झालं असेल. Increase in the internal energy of the system is equal to the heat energy supplied to the system plus the work done by the on the system by the surroundings. Okay, the increase in the internal energy of the system is quantity of heat energy plus work. So delta U represents the increase in the internal energy, Q is the heat energy supplied to the system, and W is the work done on the system by the surroundings. Next, isothermal process is the process where the temperature remains constant. Today some important parts परत सांगते. हा टॉपिक असा आहे म्हणून की काही सोडायचं नाही याच्यातलं, बिकॉज एव्हरीथिंग हॅज अपेअर्ड इन द बोर्ड एक्झाम्स. तुम्ही म्हणायचं सिलेबस चेंज झाला, जुनाच आहे. हां, म्हणून ते मी सुरू केलेलं क्लासमध्ये. ओके, त्यामुळे आय नो विच क्वेश्चन्स हॅड कम सो फार. आय विल गाईड यू अकॉर्डिंग टू दॅट. टुडे विल डिस्कस द नेक्स्ट प्रोसेस अँड समथिंग कॉल्ड एज आयसोकोरिक. CHORIC. Isocoric process. Same formula I'll be using. We have, as per the first law of thermodynamics, increase in the internal energy is equal to the heat energy supplied to the system plus the work done on the system by the surroundings. What is isocoric process? Isocoric process is a process where the volume of the substance or the gas is kept constant. कारण gases किंवा fluids लाच volume असतं. So isocoric process is a process where the there is no change in volume or the volume of the system is kept constant. Means delta V is equal to 0. Now students गौर से देखो, work done is what? Minus P external delta V. This is the formula for work done when the external pressure is constant and change in volume. Therefore, tell me what is the increase in the internal energy? It will be Q minus P external delta V. So increase in the internal energy is what, students? It is delta U is equal to Q minus P external delta V. Isocoric process, volume is constant, change in volume is 0. And therefore, what do we conclude, students? Delta U is equal to Q or minus delta U is equal to minus Q. ते तर जॉमेट्रीतून तुम्हाला आराम से ही अल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन कळते. करेक्ट? व्हॉट डज इट मीन की फॉर एन आइसोकोरिक प्रोसेस the process is where the volume is kept constant, change in volume is 0. Change in volume is 0 means delta U is equal to Q minus 0, or increase in the internal energy of the system is equal to the quantity of heat energy supplied to the system, or decrease in the internal energy is equal to the heat energy lost by the system. कळतंय? That's it. ह्याला आपण फक्त इथं QV घालायचं, because whatever is the heat energy is supplied to the system or lost by the system is at constant volume, म्हणून V इथं लिहायचं. That's it. त्याला आयसोकोरिक प्रोसेस म्हणतात. आता नेक्स्ट थर्ड वन, समथिंग कॉल्ड एज अडियाबॅटिक प्रोसेस. Adiabatic process. What is adiabatic process? Where the adiabatic process is a process where the heat energy of the system remains constant. So the heat energy of the system remains constant. म्हणजे there is no exchange of heat between the system and the surroundings, or Q is equal to 0. मग मला सांगा, what will be the first law of thermodynamics? Delta U is equal to W as Q is 0. I'll repeat, adiabatic process is a process where the heat energy of the system remains constant or no exchange of heat energy between the system and the surroundings, or Q is equal to 0 or delta U is equal to W. म्हणजे the increase in the internal energy is due to only the work done on the system, or the decrease in the internal energy is only when the work is done by the system. बघा हा, isochoric process मध्ये volume is constant, hence delta U is equal to Q minus P external delta V, or delta U is equal to QV. Adiabatic process is a process where the heat energy of the system is constant, or Q is equal to 0, or therefore delta U is equal to W. म्हणजे whatever is the increase in the internal energy is due to the work done on the system. आता number 4, what is it? number 4, isobaric process. बार म्हणजे काय? बार म्हणजे प्रेशर. बार इट्स अ युनिट ऑफ प्रेशर मुलांनो. पास्कल्स, बार हे सगळे युनिट ऑफ प्रेशर आहे. isobaric process. Isobaric process is a process where the pressure, external pressure is kept constant. External pressure is kept constant म्हणजे there is no control over the volume. Volume is not equal to 0. प्रेशर तुम्ही कॉन्स्टंट ठेवायला पाहिजे. प्रेशर जर कॉन्स्टंट ठेवला, हा फॉर्म्युला बघा स्टुडंट्स, volume is not 0. कळतंय? So increase in the internal energy is equal to Q minus P external delta V. Here the pressure is kept constant, or therefore delta U is equal to QP minus P external delta V. Means the increase in the internal energy is QP minus P external delta V, means the pressure, external pressure is kept constant. म्हणजे the pressure of the system, the difference between the pressure of the system and the surroundings is 0. Difference between the pressure and the pressure of the system and the surroundings is 0. म्हणजे the process is carried out in open container. Process delta U is equal to QP minus P external delta V चा अर्थ काय? Pressure is kept constant. Pressure is kept constant means the process is carried out in open containers. किती process शिकलो? 3. If the volume is kept constant, isochoric process. If the heat energy of the system is kept constant, or there is no exchange of heat energy between the system and the surrounding, adiabatic process. And what about isobaric? Where the external pressure is kept constant, means there is no control over the volume. The system is, or the process is carried out in open containers by keeping the external pressure constant. Container उघडा ठेवायचा, कारण volume 0 नाही आहे ना. Naturally the gas will undergo expansion. ह्या इक्वेशन कडे बघा. डेल्टा U is equal to QP minus P external delta V. This is the increase in the internal energy, which is the heat energy supplied at constant, and the pressure volume work. This concept of internal energy is called enthalpy. What is enthalpy? Simple words. Enthalpy is denoted by the letter H, which is related to the increase in the internal energy, which is the concept of heat energy of the system. Enthalpy म्हणजे काय? The heat energy of the system, and enthalpy H is equal to Q. Enthalpy is the quantity of heat energy supplied to the system plus the pressure volume work. एक सांगते, इंटरनल एनर्जी ही स्टेट फंक्शन आहे. परत रिवाइज करून देते हा. इंटरनल एनर्जी ही स्टेट फंक्शन आहे. स्टेट फंक्शन मीन्स व्हॉट? विच डिपेंड्स ऑन द इनिशियल अँड फायनल स्टेट्स ऑफ द सिस्टम. इट इज नॉट अ पाथ फंक्शन. पाथ फंक्शन म्हणजे काय? विच डज नॉट डिपेंड ऑन द इनिशियल अँड फायनल स्टेट बट डिपेंड्स ओनली ऑन द पाथ फॉलोड बाय द सिस्टम. आता internal energy is state function, hence enthalpy is also state function. Means it depends on the internal energy of the, it depends on the initial and the final states of the system. That is this. You find that they are similar. So enthalpy is the sum total of the heat energy of the system and the pressure volume work, because P into V is nothing but indirectly work when the pressure is kept constant. बरोबर? कळतंय? Since enthalpy is the state function, means it depends on the initial and final state, देअरफॉर वी कॅन राईट, तरच आपल्याला परमिशन आहे H1 म्हणजे इनिशियल स्टेट झाली इज इक्वल टू Q1 प्लस P1 V1 अँड H2 इज इक्वल टू Q2 प्लस P2 V2. हे का? कारण इट इज अ स्टेट फंक्शन. स्टेट फंक्शन म्हणजे विच डिपेंड्स ऑन इनिशियल अँड फायनल स्टेट. लेट द इनिशियल स्टेट बी 1, फायनल स्टेट बी 2. आता सबट्रॅक्ट करा. देअरफॉर H2 मायनस H1 किती इझी इज इक्वल टू Q2 मायनस Q1 प्लस P2 V2 मायनस P1 V1. H2 मायनस H1 डेल्टा H इज इक्वल टू, लक्ष द्या, डेल्टा Q प्लस P2 V2 मायनस P1 V1 इज डेल्टा ऑफ PV. बरोबर. चेंज इन प्रेशर अँड व्हॉल्यूम. इफ द सिस्टम इज कॅरिड आउट, इफ द प्रोसेस इज आयझोबारिक मीन्स एक्सटर्नल प्रेशर इज केप्ट कॉन्स्टंट, तर प्रेशर कॉन्स्टंट झाला. प्रेशर कॉन्स्टंट झाला म्हणजे इफ the system is carried out or the process is carried out in open container, external pressure is constant. किंवा तुम्हाला कन्फ्यूज होत असेल तर P जर कॉन्स्टंट धरला then डेल्टा H is equal to डेल्टा Q plus P डेल्टा V. डेल्टा H is equal to what? डेल्टा Q plus P डेल्टा V. करते हैं P डेल्टा V. What are you observing here? P delta H is equal to delta Q plus P delta V. Or if you compare this, delta H compare करते, delta H is equal to Q plus P minus P external delta V, and here you are getting plus P delta V. Or from this, if you do not consider the sign conventions, we get delta U is equal to delta H. म्हणजे एन्थाल्पी आणि increase in the internal energy are similar or almost linked with each other. परत सांगते, isobaric process is a process where the pressure is kept constant, the system is carried out, the process is carried out in open containers as there is no control over the volume. हा expression आला. In different words, here the increase in internal energy is nothing but the enthalpy. What is enthalpy? It is the sum total of the heat energy and the pressure volume work. Since enthalpy is a state function, means it depends on the initial and the final state, we have H1 is equal to Q1 plus P1 V1 and H2 is equal to Q2 plus P2 V2. करता है? और delta H is equal to delta Q plus delta PV. If P is kept constant, P ला बाहेर काढला तर हा expression येतो. आणि जर तुम्ही हे दोन कंपेअर केला, we get delta U is equal to delta H. That's it. हे झालं तुमचं एन्थाल्पी पार्ट. क्लियर? इज इट फाईन? इज इट ओके मुलांनो? बरं, आय विल स्टॉप फॉर टुडे. हे एवढं थांबवते, उद्या परत कंटिन्यू करूया. सम डेरिवेशन्स गो थ्रू, तो पार्ट जरा गो थ्रू करा.